Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aves, all birds are included in this superclass Aves. Birds have feathers. Both birds and mammals are considered to be evolved from reptilian ancestor. Scales on the legs and claws of the birds. They are the reptilian characters. Evolutionary history. In 1861, from the rocks of Jurassic period, a fossil of bird is found known as the Archaeopteryx, the lizard-tailed bird. It is equal to the size of the crow. Archaeopteryx have characters of both reptiles and birds. So it is a transition species. This is the image of the Archaeopteryx. What are the bird-like characters of the Archaeopteryx? First one is well-developed contour feathers that give specific shape to these birds, and flight feathers that covers the body. Second, forelimbs are modified into flying wings. Third, tail with 2 rows of feather is present. You can see in the diagram the forelimbs, they are modified into wings and tail having the feather. Fourth, skull is large with single occipital condyle is present. Occipital condyle is the name of the bone. ये blue color से diagram में show की हुई है. Birds में और reptiles में single occipital condyle present होती है, जबकि mammal में bones जो हैं ये 2 bones present है occipital condyle. What is the function of this bone? Occipital condyle, it join the skull with the first vertebrae. Fifth, jaws elongated to form the beak. Beak कहते हैं चोंच को. Next is the reptilian characters of the Archaeopteryx. First one is the presence of scale on the legs. Second, bones solid and heavy without air spaces. Third, jaws with teeth are present in the socket. Fourth, a long tapering lizard-like tail consists of 20 caudal vertebrae. This is the diagram showing that Archaeopteryx having this caudal vertebrae. Caudal word is for the tail. 9 to 10 cervical vertebrae. Cervical word is for the neck. This is, in this diagram it's showing that cervical vertebrae are also present. Sixth, no fusion of trunk and sacral vertebrae. This is the trunk vertebrae and this is the sacrum part of the back. Sacrum vertebrae और trunk vertebrae आपस में fused नहीं है. सेवंथ, स्टर्नम इज नॉट कील्ड. स्टर्नम कहते हैं चेस्ट और ब्रेस्ट बोन को. ये हमारे पास आर्चियोपेट्रिक्स है, इसका स्टर्नम कील नहीं होता, जबकि ये हमारे पास बर्ड्स है. ये स्पेसिफिक शेप जो है बोन का, दैट इज नोन एज द कील्ड स्टर्नम. फ्री सर्विकल एंड एब्डोमिनल रिब्स आर ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट. You can see in the diagram, these are the cervical ribs and these are the abdominal ribs. 8, simple brain with cylindrical cerebral hemisphere and unexpanded cerebellum. It is also present, and these are the parts of the brain. And 9 is the forelimb with 3 clawed fingers are present. You can see in the diagram the forelimbs, they are modified into wings but still having these claws. 3 claws are also present. So these are the reptile-like characters of the Archaeopteryx.